Oh, hi. My name's Adam Towla, and I'm obsessed with all things paranormal. Whether I'm reading your horoscope every month.
Hey Cancer, you crabby little patty. This is your horoscope for September 2020.
Or taking you along with me to some of the most haunted places in America. And yes, the bridge is rumored to be haunted, Stacy.
Yes, it is. Zach Bagans
What do you think
says
about
so.
that? Well, if he says so, it must be true.
Now, people may know you as a freak in the sheets. You nasty. Nasty.
Having you help me out in the kitchen with some themed treats.
Festive flamingo birthday cake. We are going to need a cup of butter. I'm told that one of these sticks is half a cup, which means 2 is 1. Math. This is what I was after. And so now I shall show you my creation. Nailed it! You see that? Ah!
Or if I just want to screw around backstage before a concert.
Hi, I'm Lizzie McGuire, and you're watching the Disney Channel. Is there someone here?
And yes, we will go ghost hunting.
This is The Shining.
But I promise you, we won't take ourselves too seriously.
Like, I'm... Someone died right here. I already can tell you right now. Okay, anyways.
We'll do crafting and even some interior design projects.
If you're just joining us, we're doing a Haunted Mansion-themed virtual paint night. Hopefully when you do yours, it doesn't look like Elijah Wood in a really bad shake-and-go wig and a Snuggie. Because that's not a good look. Choices. This is going in my basement forever.
I don't even have a basement.
Yep, forever.
I'm Adam Towla, the Paranormal Polynesian. If you love Halloween, the Golden Girls, or just look damn good in a Hawaiian shirt, why don't you like and subscribe so you can get those notifications, girl? Tell all your friends about me, and keep it paranormal.